Hola, bueno, a continuación te voy a presentar un poquito acerca de lo que es Freckle. Esta pues ayuda un montón en el sentido de, como sabemos, los chicos tienen diferentes, a pesar de que tenemos, por ejemplo, séptimo, octavo, sexto, tercera primaria, eh, sabemos que los caminos de los chicos no aprenden todos de la misma manera y por consiguiente necesitamos que están en un nivel y poderlos apoyar en poder subir al siguiente nivel. Entonces, Freckle nos ayuda en eso. Nos ayuda en eso y nos ayuda desde que están en kinder hasta que se gradúan. Entonces vamos a ver un poquito acerca de esta herramienta. Entonces, primero pues le quiero compartir este video para que puedan ver un poquito más acerca de lo que van a encontrar acá. Okay, so if you want to watch it again, you can do it. So we're going to go here where it says login, and you're going to enter as a teacher, student, administrator, or parent. In this case, well, we are teachers. So give me just 1 minute. I'm going to access so I can share with you a little bit of this tool that you can use for your students. So it says, where do you teach? And teacher. So here you can see that you have to choose your country. So let's see if I can find, what about, yes. Search your school. I don't work at school. If you don't work, or I'm going to choose, okay, this one. Okay, so what grade levels do you teach? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. You can choose the ones that you work on. Okay, so here you have your home. You are now in your home, and you can create your class. Okay, so this is your class. So in this case, I'm going to say 7A. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. And here, the subjects that you want to reinforce. In this case, I only want Ella, okay? So here I can type the name, for example, Alison Garcia. Language, let's see, let's try with the Spanish and let's try with English. Oh, barrios. I'm just making names. Okay, so let's see what happens. I'm going to add 2 different languages, okay? So I just finished creating this one. Okay, so get started. Okay, so we're going to see how your students are going to see it. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay, so practice at your level, English. You have word study, you have skill practice, and you have library. Okay, so word study, you have a pre-test. So this is what we want, right? So click the button below to listen to and spell the word, the following word. Okay, so they're going to type the word. Okay, so this is like an example. Okay, so big, and so on, so on, so on. When they are done, you will be able to see, as a teacher, their results. Okay, so you can practice Ella, and then we're going to practice the next one. Oh, Jane Goodall. Never imagine. So here's a paragraph, a little longer. Okay, so here, as you can see, they give you like a time. Okay, because they know that they cannot read too fast. If you want to, okay, so you're going to read and then you're going to answer the questions. Okay, so when I finish reading, I just click, and here are going to have the questions. Okay, so every time they're going to do that. If they want to, you can use this pen and you can highlight information. Okay, that you think that is important. I remember this story is about the chimpanzees, and also if you want to, you can watch the movie on Netflix. Okay, so these are like, you need to make sure that the students complete this test, the pre-test, because that is how this is going to manage in order to give the exercises, the appropriate exercises, because in order to improve the students and of course to go to the next level. So I recommend this one. Maybe sometimes it's not going to give you the opportunity to have more classes, but maybe you can ask for your schools to buy the one that is for schools, and you can have as many as you want. So use this one. It's very useful for also your students, maybe as an extra, because for reading, for listening, for vocabulary, for spelling. So try to use it. Maybe not this year, but next year I'm sure that you will do it. Thank you. See you next time.